Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Over the weekend we had a guest over and the plan was made at the last minute. So in this video I'm gonna share with you complete thali recipe which you can make it in no time. Also the recipe which I'm sharing, it is in the season now. That means all the vegetables, it is easily available in the market. So let's get started. So I'm gonna first start cooking with something sweet, and for dessert I'm making gajar halwa. So for that I wash all my carrot and now I'm gonna go ahead and peel the skin out of it. As you can see, I do have the garbage bag underneath, so the cleaning will be very easy. And now I'm gonna go ahead and grate it. I do have this grater. Some people do like to do it in the food processor, but somehow I like to do it manually. So I'm just gonna go ahead and grate all the carrot first. While you are doing it, you just have to be very careful. And I know in India, the carrot do have the white part in the middle. So I'm sure you must be aware of it, that don't use that. But somehow the carrot that we do get it here in the state doesn't have that. So I'll be okay with it. So now I'm gonna go ahead and first finish grating all my carrot. So now all the carrot has been grated. I'm gonna add ghee into the pan, that is the clarified butter. Once the ghee is melted, I'm gonna add all the carrot into the pan and I'm gonna saute that for about 5 to 7 minutes. After that, I'm gonna add the milk. So for milk, you wanna use the full fat milk and not the 2% or not the fat-free milk. I'm gonna mix everything very well and let that cook for another 10 to 15 minutes on medium flame. But of course, you want to make sure that you come in between and keep stirring it. So as you can see, the milk has been reduced, and at this point I'm going to add the condensed milk. Some people do like to add the sugar, but the reason I like to add the condensed milk, it is because it is going to cut down the cooking time by 35 to 40 minutes. So I'm going to go ahead and add that, mix it everything very well. Again, we're going to cook this for another 20 minutes. And in between, again, you want to come back and make sure you are keep stirring it. So this is how it looks like after 10 minutes. So as you can see, it is getting thickened. So while the halwa is getting ready, I will go ahead and prepare the sabji. So for today's sabji, I'm making aloo bangan as well as the valor papadi sabji, which is widely available especially during the winter times. And I will be making this sabji with the mustard oil. Yes, in winter, mustard oil is must. It is going to give really good aroma as well as the good taste to the sabji. Once the oil is hot, I'm going to add the mustard seeds. When the mustard seed crackle, I will add 2 red chilies as well as I will add a little bit of asafoetida. And I will be making this sabji in pressure cooker, but just because I can show you everything properly, I'm making first into pan and then I will go ahead and transfer that into the pressure cooker. So here I add green chili, garlic as well as the ginger paste. If you don't like garlic and ginger, don't worry about it. You don't have to add that. But again, it is going to give really good taste to this sabji. Next, I will add the turmeric powder. Once everything mixed properly, I will go ahead and add the papadi, which I wash it properly as well as I cut that into half. Next, I will be adding the eggplant as well as the potato. So as you can see, I cut both of them into bigger pieces. The reason is because I'm making this in the pressure cooker. But let's say you are making this in the pan, then you want to cut those in the smaller pieces. After mixing everything very well, I'm going to add the green peas, which is again widely available during the winter times. I will be adding all the dry masala now. So first, dhania jeera powder as well as the red chili powder. I'm going to add a little bit water in here, and I'm using the blender which I use to make the green chili and the garlic paste. So I can just add the water into it and use that water. As well as I'm adding salt to taste, mix everything very well. And now I'm going to go ahead and transfer that into the pressure cooker. All we need is basically 2 whistles, and this is the very quick and easy way to make this sabji. And believe me guys, this sabji came out so yummy. As you can see, there's everything in here is the basic masala, but still because of the mustard oil as well as all the green chili garlic and the ginger which I put it in there, this sabji was awesome. Again, everything is available during the winter time, so you won't have any hard time finding any of the vegetables. So that's it. All we need is to whistle, and as you can see, even my halwa is getting thickened too. I'm gonna leave it for another about 5 minutes, and that's about it. Our lunch is ready, and you can serve this with the puri paratha, but I was making roti with to go with this, as well as I made this bruschetta for kids, and this recipe is also coming in my other video, so watch out for that. Again, this bruschetta came out so yummy. It was really easy to make, so for appetizer, and there was some kids, so I made that. So this is it. This is my complete lunch. The gajar halwa is there. The sabji is there. Of course, I had to have the chash to go with it. And I made the roti. But again, you can serve this totally with the puri. And I do have the achar green chilies to go with it. And this green chili actually, one of my relative, they made it and they sent it to me, because when mom was there, she always used to make this and send me, but now she is not there anymore. One of my relatives, she made it and sent it to me. I do have the papad, and that's about it. That's my complete lunch thali. So friends, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this video is helpful to you. If it's, then please don't forget to like this video. Leave the comments below. Let me know what other kind of videos you like me to do. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys soon in my next video. Bye.